En, två, tre, två.
Hello, Kaiso. This is Väsen. On December 2nd, we are playing the Aitsina Folk Festival in Vitoria-Gasteiz in favor for those suffering from ataxia telangiectasia. Hope to see you there.
See you there.